You want your tummy? Tummy? You want your tummy? Yeah. You want that tummy rubbed? Yeah, yeah. Where's everybody? Where's everybody? Where's BJ? Where's BJ? Spot, pay attention. Where's BJ? Hey, pay attention. Where's BJ? Where's Tiger? Where's Tiger? Hey, where's Tiger? Well, where's Patch? You don't know? Okay. Gosh, I can hardly see them. I don't know if these are gonna make it. Not too hopeful here, Mark. Wait, is that a moth or a butterfly? I don't want any moth eggs. Sorry. Are you laying an egg? If you're not laying an egg, what are you doing? I know you're not eating anything. So pretty. I didn't think I would get any because I got all these wood chips here, but they grew out on the outside edges and I've got quite a few blooms. I remember the last 2 years the bumblebees just love these things, but they're not quite out yet. And here's another patch on the back side of the wood chips. And this is called ajuga, and it's in the mint family, and there is a bee. That's a honeybee though. Wow. Fantastic. I love spring flowers that just come up and you don't even have to plant them. This is dove's foot cranebill geranium. This is a weed and it does bloom, but it's not there yet. And this is purple dead nettle, I think. And this is common vetch. This is small flower leaf cup. These get waist high and they're all around my property. Oh, there's another one. And this looks very similar, but it's also a geranium. This is Carolina geranium. I actually think this is separate from this. Yeah. Wow. So pretty. Some of these responded to the water, you can see, and some of them didn't. A lot of them are just toast. Oh boy. These are my zinnias and calendula. This is the first day out. First sunshine. really hate to mow your yard when you've got this many wild pansies growing. Just looks like snowflakes. They do look just like miniature pansies. They got a little stripe on the bottom petals. This is a combination of purple dead nettle and henbit. And I think there's something else growing in there too. But it's just solid. One henbit puts out 200 seeds or something crazy. So I can just use henbit for my cover crop. Not have to plant anything. And there's a lot of other things going on in there. There's clover. Let's see. There are a few peas I saw scattered about. But I've decided not to try to do this right now because some trees that are budding out, either pear or, let's see, plum. I think that must be the plum, right? Looks a lot different from the pear. These are the Leyland cypress, and that really bad Arctic freeze we had over the holidays just, I don't know if they're gonna survive or not. We'll see. Got a lot of dead on them. Those are my elderberries over there. They're leafing out. Oh, it's a long way up. I had him mow my meadow the other day so I could seed some wildflower. I sat down to catch my breath, and there's a big rock slab here, and in the spring it gets covered with this succulent. Just grows right on top of the know what that is. Huh. I had to look it up from last year. It's called Widow's Cross, and it makes these beautiful cross pink flowers. You'll probably see them next month. We've got geranium, wild geranium, and hen bit back here. The hen bit is starting to brown out. That's the purple dead nettle over there.